Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going over how to add an admin or give somebody page access to your Facebook page. This is something that you'll need to know how to do if you hire a social media manager or just if you want somebody to help you or be on the Facebook page. This is something you need to know how to do. Today we'll be going over how to do it on the desktop version of Facebook. You can also do this on the app on your phone, which it will be the same steps, but it looks just like a little bit different. So stay tuned and we will go over everything, and by the end of this you'll know exactly how to do it. So first things first, you need to go to your Facebook business page. So you click up here, click see all profiles, click the page that you want to go to. For many of you, you won't have a ton of pages. I just am a social media manager. And then next, you'll want to go to your page. And then you'll come over to the right-hand side right here and click Manage. From there, go back to the left-hand side, scroll a little, right here, click Page Access. Now I'm already an admin on this page, obviously, because I run the page, but you can click Add New. It'll just tell you what the people have access to. Click Next, and then you will either you can add their Facebook name if you have the full name, or their Facebook email address that is linked to their email. So I will go ahead, type in my Facebook name, which it won't pop up because I'm not on there. But from there you'll click who you want to add, and then it will ask for your password, and then that's it, you're done. It's super simple, super easy. It's just a lot of steps, and for people that don't know how to use Facebook, but don't use it a lot, this isn't super simple to figure out, but it's super easy, and that's really it. Like I said, the phone is about the same steps. It just looks a little bit different, but I can go over that in a different video if that's something that everyone is interested in. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I will be back soon with more helpful tips on Facebook, Instagram. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're my client, just thank you so much for watching, and we'll get started soon. Have a good day.